Today, we speak like real Americans.
Not textbook English, real daily English.
Simple phrases that natives use every day.
Short, fast, natural.
Let's start with the most common one.
What's up?
It means, how are you?
But it sounds friendly, casual.
Say it like this. What's up?
Not what is up, just one sound. What's up?
Next one.
How's it going?
It means, how are things?
Again, say it smooth. How's it going?
Another one.
Long time no see.
It means, I haven't seen you in a while.
It sounds friendly and excited.
One more common phrase.
You good?
It means, are you okay?
But also, can I help you?
Last one for this part.
No worries.
It means, don't worry, it's okay.
Americans say it all the time.
Repeat them with us.
What's up?
How's it going?
Long time no see.
You good?
No worries.
These are not formal.
These are real life.
Now, let's learn how natives respond.
If someone says, what's up?
You can answer like this.
Not much.
Just chillin'.
All good.
Same here.
If someone says, how's it going?
You say,
Pretty good.
can't complain.
Just taking it easy.
If someone says, you good? You answer,
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
I'm fine, thanks. If someone says, sorry,
You say,
no worries, you're all good.
let's practice as a real mini conversation.
What's up?
Not much, you?
Just chillin'.
How's it going?
Pretty good. You?
Can't complain.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
Sorry, I'm late.
No worries. You're all good.
Now let's end conversations like a native.
Not goodbye. That sounds too heavy.
Use friendly exits instead.
See ya.
Take care.
Catch you later.
Talk to you soon.
Later.
Have a good one.
Let's act it.
All right, I'm heading out.
Cool. See ya.
Take care.
I gotta go now.
No problem. Catch you later.
I'll text you soon.
Sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Later. Have a good one. These phrases are real American English.
Not from grammar books, from real streets.
Use them daily, even in small moments.
Say, what's up? Say, no worries.
Speak relaxed, not perfect.
Natives speak simple too.
Practice one phrase today.
Write it in the comments if you want.
For example, type, what's up? Not much.
Copy it. Use it. Live it.
All right, I'm done here.
Same. Catch you later.
Take care.
Have a good one.